Hey Wealth Wave family, welcome back to the channel. If you're a senior or receiving Social Security or SSDI, stop scrolling right now because we've got huge news that could bring a major boost to your wallet this June. A $3,000 one-time payment has officially been approved, and yet, hardly anyone is talking about it. But don't worry, I've done the deep digging so you don't have to. In today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know: who qualifies, when it's coming, and how to make sure you don't miss a single dollar. What's happening? This isn't just another headline floating around social media. This is real. A $3,000 payment, yes, $3,000 is set to land in eligible accounts as early as June, and it's already gotten the green light from the federal government. This is part of a newly approved relief measure designed to help the people who need it most: seniors, disabled Americans, and those living on fixed incomes keep up with the rising cost of living. Let's be real, everything is more expensive. Groceries, rent, medical bills, even utilities are through the roof. And although Social Security gets those annual COLA increases, it's just not enough to keep up. Lawmakers say this $3,000 payment is meant to serve two purposes: a short-term lifeline to help people breathe a little easier, a recognition that fixed incomes simply aren't cutting it in today's economy. The good news? Eligibility is simple. If you currently receive Social Security retirement benefits, SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, or survivor's benefits, you're on the list. You don't need to fill out any special forms, sign up for anything, or call anyone. The Social Security Administration already has your info, and the Treasury Department will send the payment just like your monthly benefits. If you get direct deposit, that's where the $3,000 will go. If you receive a paper check, expect it in your mailbox same time as your usual payment, but with a nice boost. When are the payments coming? Mark your calendars, because June is the rollout month. Payments will follow the same schedule as your regular Social Security checks. Birthdays between the 1/10, paid on the 2 Wednesday of June. Birthdays between the 11/20, 3 Wednesday of June. Birthdays after the 24 Wednesday of June. If you're receiving SSI, you'll likely get your deposit earlier, typically at the beginning of the month. Just make sure your bank info and mailing address are current. If you've moved or switched banks recently, head over to ssa.gov or give them a call ASAP. It's quick, it's free, and it could save you a huge headache. What can you do with this money? That's entirely up to you. Some folks are planning to catch up on overdue bills, pay for long-delayed medical treatments, replace old appliances, or finally stash something away for a rainy day. One of our viewers from Michigan told me this will help her fix her heating system before next winter. Another gentleman in Arizona said it's finally time to get the dental care he's been putting off for years. This isn't play money. It's life-changing support. As always, when the government gives out money, the scammers come running. Here's what you need to know. You do not need to pay anyone to get this check. No one from the SSA or IRS will call, text, or email asking for your Social Security number or bank info. If someone asks for personal info, hang up and report them. What does this mean long-term? Some lawmakers are already suggesting this could be a pilot for future payments. There's talk of making it quarterly or semi-annual depending on inflation and economic trends. This could be a turning point, a shift toward recognizing that fixed-income Americans need more than just Band-Aids. If this $3,000 check proves effective, It could open the door to recurring relief programs down the road. This isn't just about a payment. It's about dignity. For many, this is the difference between stress and stability. Between delaying care and finally getting help. Between barely scraping by and breathing again. If you care for someone who might qualify, or if you're unsure about your own eligibility, now is the time to double-check everything. Visit SSA.gov or call their toll-free number. Get your info in order now so you're ready when the money starts flowing in June. Let's keep the pressure on. Advocacy groups, state governments, and millions of voices like yours made this happen. But we can't stop here. We need to keep speaking up for automatic COLA adjustments, faster processing times, better Medicare coverage, and stronger protections for seniors and disabled Americans. And here on Wealth Wave, I'll be with you every step of the way, breaking it all down and keeping you informed. To every one of you who's liked, subscribed, shared these updates, or dropped a comment, thank you. You're not just supporting this channel, you're helping people stay informed who might otherwise be left behind. If you found this video helpful, do someone a favor, share it. Let's get the word out and make sure no one misses out on this $3,000 relief. This isn't just a check, it's a lifeline. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you very soon with more updates right here on Wealth Wave.